When they're done right, video case studies are the most powerful way to show how you solve specific problems and provide value to your customers. And a lot of times, vendors will let you use co-op marketing funds to pay some or all of the production cost for a case study where that vendor's products are featured. So we produce a lot of these videos, and they're always great sales tools, and they have a long shelf life. So a case study video can anchor a page of your website. You can share it via email and social media, and it's always searchable on YouTube, which really helps capture new leads. Now, most videographers use narration to tell or fill in the customer story, and that makes it feel like a commercial, which never generates the best results. So the way Voodoo produces case studies takes quite a bit more work and skill because we tell the story 100% in the words of your customer, but we never put words in their mouth. So we're working without a script, but asking all the right questions. And the story actually comes together in the editing process, right? We use every creative tool we have. We use the footage, the music, the sound effects, and the graphics. When we produce a case study for you and maybe one of your vendors, it's going to convey the value of what you do better than you can convey it yourself because it's a real customer endorsement. And that really helps your prospects get past their concerns and hesitation and want to do business with you. It's really the fastest way to move prospects through your sales funnel.